I think I'm gonna go ahead and harvest my eggplant today. It has gotten so big. Yes, it has. Oh boy, it's heavy. Okay, it's starting to turn. It was a darker color, like it's getting lighter on me. So I say I better go ahead and harvest this one. Okay, let's see. Cut it off yet. Come on now. First eggplant harvest of the season. Looking good. Yes, you are. Supposed to be the Black Beauty, and the color is starting to get a little lighter on me. I said I better go ahead and harvest this one. Eggplant grown in Big Mama's garden. Okay, a little harvest today from Big Mama's garden. Some cucumbers, green beans, a little red lettuce, my beautiful eggplant, and the last of our cabbage for the season. All grown in Big Mama's garden. Looking good. We're gonna enjoy eating you. Yes, we are. More green beans growing in Big Mama's garden. Look at that. We need to harvest some more green beans. I see your green beans. Look at the green beans. Okay. Gotta check them every few days. You got more to harvest. Let's see, any more in here? Okay. Let me harvest you now. Harvest another handful of green beans grown in Big Mama's garden. Looking good. Yes, you are looking good. I was drinking some tea outside this morning and harvest me some more green beans, cucumbers, and asparagus grown in Big Mama's garden.